Welcome to another video from your friends at Altitude University. I'm David, and today we are going to talk about the pros and cons of doing work for free. It's especially tempting to provide free work when you're just starting as a commercial drone pilot or when you're looking for more clients. Stick around and we'll share the pros and cons of free work and give you advice on whether or not it's right for you. Before we begin, please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. There are currently over 377,000 certified remote pilots in the United States. Even though the industry is rapidly growing and the need for pilots is high, in some areas it can still be challenging to find work. This is especially true when you are starting out. In an effort to stand out from the competition, some pilots consider offering free work to gain new business, establish their brand, and build a portfolio. Providing free work is potentially a beneficial strategy, but it is not without its disadvantages. A common scenario is this. You just earned your remote pilot certification and are having trouble getting that first gig. You contact a real estate agent and offer free photos of a property they are trying to sell. The agent gets free photos and the pilot hopefully impresses the agent and is hired for future gigs. So, is this the right move for the pilot or not? Let's start by discussing some of the advantages. First, portfolio development. For new drone pilots, building a comprehensive portfolio is crucial. Offering free services allows pilots to showcase their skills and the quality of their work. This portfolio becomes a tangible asset that you can attract paying clients with, demonstrate your ability, and the high-quality results you can produce. Number two, network expansion. Providing free services can help pilots expand their professional network. Satisfied clients are likely to recommend the pilot to others, leading to potential paying gigs. Networking within the industry can also open doors to partnerships, collaborations, and opportunities that might not have been accessible otherwise. Number three, market penetration. Entering a saturated market can be challenging. Offering free work helps pilots penetrate the market by getting their foot in the door. It's an opportunity to prove their worth, differentiate themselves from competition, and establish a presence in the niche they wish to target. Number four, skill enhancement and experience. Even though you're working for free, anytime you fly, you're still becoming a better pilot. Free projects allow pilots to refine their skills and gain experience in real-world scenarios. They can experiment with different flying techniques, photography styles, and data collection methods, which can be invaluable in honing their craft and improving their service offerings. Number five, feedback and reputation building. Free work often leads to reviews and testimonials, which are essential for building a good reputation. You can even make an agreement ahead of time that giving you a review is part of the arrangement. Feedback from these initial projects can guide improvements and adjustments to your service delivery, helping to establish a reputation for quality and reliability. Those all sound like good reasons to provide free work. So, what are the downsides? First is devaluation of services. A significant risk of offering free work is the potential devaluation of the pilot's services. Clients might perceive free work as low value, and this perception can be hard to shake even when transitioning to paid services. It sets a precedence that might lead to difficulties in charging appropriate rates later on. Number two, financial strain. Operating without an income, especially when you're starting out, can put a financial strain on the pilot and the business. Drone equipment, maintenance, and operational costs can be substantial, and without income revenue, sustaining the business becomes a challenge. Number three, time and resource allocation. Time spent on free projects could be used to pursue paying jobs or invest in marketing efforts to attract paying customers. There's a risk of misallocating resources where the pilot focuses too much on free work without a strategic plan for conversion to paid engagements. Nothing is more valuable than your time. Number four, client expectations. Clients who receive free services might develop expectations of continued services at low or no costs. Transitioning these clients to paying customers can be difficult, as they may resist the change in price structure, expecting the same level of service for free or at a discounted rate. Number five, opportunity cost. The time and effort invested in providing free services represent an opportunity cost. Think of opportunity costs as the money you aren't making on paid jobs while flying for free. You could be missing out on other revenue-generating opportunities, including paid projects, training, or networking events that could lead to profitable engagements if you're giving away work for free. Now that you have an understanding of the good and the bad, is free work a good option for you? To navigate these pros and cons, drone pilots should adopt a strategic approach to offering free work. Start by setting clear boundaries and objectives for each free project. For example, pilots could limit the number of free projects they take on each month. Choose projects that offer significant portfolio or network expansion potential, or offer free services only to nonprofit organizations or in exchange for marketing exposure. Additionally, set clear expectations with clients from the outset about the nature of the free work and the transition to paid services. Pilots should use contracts or agreements, even for free projects, to formalize the arrangement and protect both parties. My personal approach is generally not to offer free work except to nonprofit organizations like search and rescue teams. On the rare occasion when I consider free work outside of that, I offer the work in connection with a paid gig. For example, I'll offer to take free pictures of a property for a real estate agent if they agree to hire me to film videos of the property as well. Offering free work as a commercial drone pilot can be a strategic move to gain new business, build a portfolio, and establish a presence in the industry. However, it must be approached with caution to avoid devaluing your services, incurring unnecessary financial strain, and mismanaging time and resources. By carefully selecting free work opportunities and setting clear boundaries and expectations, drone pilots can leverage the benefits of this strategy while mitigating the risks, ultimately paving the way for successful and profitable drone opportunities. We hope you enjoyed our video. From everyone at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.